Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use the green screen effects in Filmora in easy way. Let's jump in. First, start by importing your footage, one with the green screen and one with the background clip you want to use. Then drag the background to the video track 1 and then the green screen clip to the video track 2, right above it. Now double click the green screen clip and then open the video settings. Then scroll down to the chroma key option and then check the box to enable it. And then the Filmora will automatically detect the green color and remove it. And if doesn't look perfect, you can adjust the tolerance, the offset, edge thickness, and then the edge feeders, sliders until the edge look clean. And then after editing it, click OK and you are done. Your subject is now on a brand new background like a magic. And that's how easy it is to use the green screen in Filmora. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what effect you want to learn. Thanks for watching!